Hello guys, so in this video I want to talk about this new indicator that is provided. It's actually seems to be invented by Mr. Tushar Chande, who you can read about. He's got a lot of books and he's played a pretty big role. So the indicator is really simple, but to be honest, it looks like it provides some really cool signals. Okay, and you can review. I mean, you can already see here that kind of takes us on some really interesting. So like from here to here, okay, and or from here to here. I mean, there are obviously quite a few choppy areas, but again, I mean, you have to test this with like Bloodhound or something. So for example, this run is probably like $500 already. This run, and then I don't know, this run, like this run. I think it had got some edge. Okay, it's worthwhile exploring. So here, scale in here, exit here. I mean, go in here, even if you do exit here. I mean, you could build a strategy around this, an interesting one, I think. So, basically, the concept behind this is it looks at the bar, okay, and I have two modes, and this is actually something that I added to it. Like Tushar Chande uses close and open, so he goes close minus open. We take that delta, we stick it into an MA, and like he sticks it into an SMA or an EMA. I prefer to stick it into super smoother, right? I mean, just compare like super smoother, like with the EMA, you get all this noisy stuff. Look what the super smoother does. The super smoother is just John Ellers does the thing. Look at that. I mean, I think the super smoother does a pretty good job here. Anyway, so the super smoother is actually a pretty big indicator. And it comes with this indicator outside. Okay, so so it sticks the close and the open series, the delta between close and open into close minus open. Okay, into the EMA. Okay, but I like this one, high low, and high low works differently. It seems to produce less noise, and so basically, if the bar is up, we subtract high, low from the high. If the bar is down, we subtract low from the high to get a negative value. Okay, and it seems to produce much less noise. Okay, and you can already visually identify quite a few nice runs that it kind of takes us onto. And this isn't even on a 1 minute chart. I mean, anyway, so what else is here? You got signals, so you can use this with Bloodhound easily. Okay, here we go. Where is it? So 1 minus 1 for short, 1 for long, and that's, you can plot these. You have an option to plot these or not plot these. You got an arrow size, MA period, and pretty much that's all. Okay, guys, so enjoy it.